Introducing Nokia 5.1 Plus, Nokia X5. Coming up next. New Nokia 5.1 Plus Nokia X5 has Android 8.1 or Android One operating system. Its CPU is octa-core, 4-byte GHz Cortex-A73 and 4-byte GHz Cortex-A53. Its chipset is MediaTek MT6771 Helio P60. Its GPU is Mali G70 to MP3. Its card slot is micro SD, up to 256 GB. Its internal memory is 64 GB, 4 GB RAM or 32 GB, 3 GB RAM. Its primary camera is dual, 13 megapixel, f/2.0, PDAF, plus 5 megapixel. Depth sensor, LED flash. Its camera features a geotagging, touch focus, face detection, HDR, panorama. Its video camera is 1080 pixel at 30 fps. Its secondary camera is 8 megapixel, f/2.2. Its alert types of vibration, MP3, wave ringtones. It has Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/n/ac, dual band, Wi-Fi direct, hotspot. Its Bluetooth is 4.2, 82dp, La. Its USB is 2.0, Type-C 1.0 reversible connector. Its sensors are fingerprint, rear-mounted, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass. Its display size is 5.86 inches, 85.7 square centimeters, 79.6% screen-to-body ratio. Its display resolution is 720 by 1520 pixels, 19:9 ratio, 287 by density. Its body dimensions are 149.5 by 72 by 8.1 mm, 5.89 by 2.83 by 0.32 in. Its body weight is 160 grams, 5.64 ounces. It has dual SIM, nano SIM, dual standby. Its battery is non-removable Li-ion 3060 mAh battery. It is in various colors like night black, glacier white, Baltic sea blue. It has announced in 2018, July and also available in markets,